Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to check battery health on MacBook. If your MacBook battery drains fast, overheats, or does not last as long as before, checking the battery health can help you understand the condition of your battery. So let's get started. First, before we check it, let's quickly understand what battery health actually means. Battery health tells you how good your MacBook battery condition is compared to when it was brand new. Over time, even battery naturally loses capacity because of charging cycles and regular usage. If the battery health becomes too low, you may notice faster battery drain, sudden shutdowns, slower performance, and charging problems. That's why it's a good idea to check your MacBook battery health regularly. Now let me show you the easiest way to check it. First click on this Apple logo here. Now click on System Preferences. You can see here Battery. Click on Battery. Now you can see here your battery history, screen on usage, your current battery level, last charge, and from here you can see here about your battery. As you can see, I have some notification. The battery capacity is significantly reduced. To store capacity, please check your service options. I have some alert from my battery, as you can see here. Now if you enable this, slightly dim the display while on battery power, it saves some battery. Enable power nap while on battery power. While sleeping, your Mac can periodically check for new email, calendar and other iCloud updates. If you enable this, it helps you. Show battery status in menu bar. If you enable it, you can see here the battery status. If I disable this, as you can see, it is removed. And power adapter. Here you can see prevent your Mac from automatically sleeping when the display is off. If you enable it, it will prevent your Mac from automatically sleeping when your display is off. Wake for network access. Okay. Enable power nap while plugged into a power adapter. If you feel anything confusing from here, just click on this question mark here on the bottom. As you can see, battery usage history on a MacBook, everything here, it's a guide. Now let's check battery condition on your MacBook. First click on this Apple icon. Now click on About this Mac. Now you can see here System Report. Click on System Report. Now a new window will open. As you can see here, the new window. Now in new window, you can see here the sidebar. Select the hardware category first. Now search for power. As you can see here, the power. Now you can see here your battery information here, model information, charge information, health information, system power settings, AC power, battery power, your UPS install or not, AC charger information, next schedule events. Every details about your battery is here on this power tab. Under hardware category, select the power tab and just go through the information of your battery. Now let's understand what these things actually mean. If it says normal, your battery is still working properly. If it says replace soon, replace now, or service battery, here as you can see on my Mac, I have some service notification. As you can see here, service. Then your battery health has become weak and may need replacement. My battery need replacement is now become weak. Cycle count shows how many times the battery has been charged. Okay, you can see the cycle count from here. As you can see, cycle count 505. It means my battery is charged 505 times. And for some old MacBooks, Apple designed a battery for around 1000 charge cycles. So if your cycle count is close to 1000, battery backup may naturally become weaker. That's why I am receiving the service notification for my battery health. Full charge capacity, this shows how much power your battery can currently hold. Okay, as you can see, full charge here, capacity. A lower number means the battery has aged over time. Now, I will give you some quick battery health tips. Here are some simple tips. Avoid overheating. It's very important. Don't block airflow while using your MacBook. Use the cooling fan or just place your MacBook slightly tilted, not just flat direct on your bed or your table. Use original charger. Always try to use an original or certified Apple charger. So that's keep your battery also safe and secure, and it will last long. Don't keep charging all the time. Sometimes use the battery normally instead of keeping it plugged in 24/7. Okay, now lower screen brightness. Reducing brightness can improve battery life significantly on older MacBooks. Close unnecessary apps. Too many background apps can drain battery quickly. These are the quick tips. So that's how you can check battery health on your MacBook. It's a very useful thing to know, especially if your MacBook battery performance feels weaker than before. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more MacBook tutorials. Thank you for watching.